Here we go. Zone 1. Now it's getting plenty gas. We got 4 rotors here in the center. And this 5th rotor here in the side. Zone valve. Zone 2. Here go our work. Get a little on the sidewalk. Let's turn that thing. Too much. There we go. All the way down. Zone 3. We had a sprinkler right here. We capped it off. No. I'm finna do the next zone in the back, so I'll meet you in the back.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Zone 4. Yeah. You want to come look at it before I cover it? Because remember, it was leaking right there. I wanted to show you. I put the glue. It's sealed up.